True to its name, On-Site Theater Company has produced plays in bowling alleys and bars, art galleries, and politicians' campaign buses. Now it's in a bakery, the Sweet Art Bakery in the Shaw neighborhood. Thanks to playwright Nancy Bell, On-Site has transformed Sweet Art into a magic bakery. It seems normal enough as a drowsy baker and his assistants start their day, another day of the repetitious, boring, but satisfying work of making cupcakes. They do have a violinist nearby to cheer them with music and a song. Already we can see that this is no ordinary bakery. And when the baker drops the one leftover cupcake, it pops back up 10 times as big and runs away. This is not good. The baker needs to sell all the cupcakes he can make in order to pay his bills. The bill collector is at the door, an imposing but polite man with his small but terrifying assistant, complete with leather jacket and baseball bat. Fortunately, a mother shows up with a huge order for cupcakes for her daughter's birthday party. It will be just big enough to pay the bills. But we also have another mother and daughter, obviously from their dress magically appearing from a very grim fairy tale in which they are starving. With little help from some young audience members and major help from the baker's assistant, who has magic of her own, and despite more troubles caused by the runaway cupcake, all these people do manage to get what they've come for. The baker's assistant, played by Kenyatta Tatum, connects warmly with the audience as she helps narrate the story. Patrick Blindauer fumbles and frets as the troubled baker. Andrew Coleman looms large as the bill collector, but little Maria Moore is the real threat as his terrifying assistant. Ivy Bell Reid is the whiny birthday girl who turns out to have a compassionate heart, and Michelle Hand her distracted mother. Katie Keating and Reagan Austin are the starving fairy tale mother and daughter. Hannah Donaldson is the mischievous runaway cupcake, and Hannah Fry musically reinforces the action. Shannara Gabriel has directed all the movements through and in and out of the bakery, and Christina Sitzer designed the costumes. We in the audience get an hour's lively entertainment from the Runaway Cupcake, a play about eating for families who eat, and at the end we get a very good cupcake.
Yes, and Nancy Bell's script was very nice for kids and for adults.
Yes, and so was the cupcake.